Increasing the value of your home is a goal shared by many homeowners in Palmetto Bay. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your living space, the right upgrades can make a meaningful difference. One often overlooked improvement is the installation of casement windows. These stylish, functional windows not only elevate your home's appearance but also deliver practical benefits that today's buyers actively seek. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward like a door, typically operated with a crank. This simple design offers a clean, modern look that complements a wide range of home styles in Palmetto Bay, from coastal-inspired houses to contemporary renovations. Their sleek frames and unobstructed glass panes allow more natural light into your home, instantly making rooms feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. Natural light is a major selling point for buyers. Homes that feel open and airy tend to stand out in the Palmetto Bay market. By installing casement windows, you can create a more welcoming atmosphere that resonates with potential buyers and adds perceived value to your property. Even if you're not planning to sell right away, enjoying a brighter home environment can significantly improve your day-to-day comfort. Another key advantage of casement windows is their superior ventilation. Because they open fully outward, they allow for maximum airflow compared to traditional sliding or double-hung windows. In a warm, coastal climate like Palmetto Bay, this can make a noticeable difference in indoor comfort. Better airflow helps reduce reliance on air conditioning, which can lower energy costs over time, a feature that both homeowners and buyers appreciate. Energy efficiency is one of the most important factors influencing home value today. Casement windows are known for their tight seal when closed. The sash presses firmly against the frame, reducing air leaks and helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This improved insulation can lead to lower energy bills and increased comfort throughout the year. For environmentally conscious buyers, energy-efficient features like these can be a deciding factor. Security is another area where casement windows shine. Their design makes them difficult to force open from the outside, especially when equipped with modern locking mechanisms. For families in Palmetto Bay, peace of mind is invaluable. A home that offers enhanced security features is not only more attractive to buyers but also contributes to a higher overall property value. Durability is particularly important in South Florida, where homes must withstand strong sun, humidity, and occasional storms. High-quality casement windows are built with materials designed to resist corrosion, warping, and weather damage. Many options also include impact-resistant glass, which adds an extra layer of protection during hurricane season. Investing in durable windows can reduce maintenance costs and reassure buyers that the home is well prepared for local conditions. From a design perspective, casement windows offer versatility. They can be customized in various sizes, finishes, and frame materials to match your home's aesthetic. Whether you want a crisp, modern look or something more traditional, casement windows can be tailored to fit seamlessly into your design vision. This flexibility allows you to enhance curb appeal, another critical factor in boosting home value. Ultimately, upgrading to casement windows is a smart, customer-focused investment for Palmetto Bay homeowners. They combine beauty, functionality, and efficiency in a way that appeals to both current residents and future buyers. By improving natural light, ventilation, energy efficiency, security, and durability, these windows offer a well-rounded upgrade that can significantly increase your home's market appeal. If you're looking for a practical way to enhance your property, casement windows are a solution worth considering. They don't just improve how your home looks, they transform how it feels and performs, making your investment truly worthwhile.